Hello, my name is Ryan Yoakum, and I'm the business librarian here at Belmont. Today, we're going to be talking about Gale Business Insights and specific application to the Principles of Marketing course. Gale Business Insights is really helpful if you're looking for company information, but one thing I think is specifically helpful is if you're looking for private company information, as occasionally you'll find that information in Gale Business Insights. It's not perfect, as you will see, but is always a good place to look if you've selected a private company. If we are on the library webpage and we go to the Marketing Research Guide, I'm going to click on the Company Profiles tab, and then I'm going to click on Business Insights, which is also Gale Business Insights. And then we're taken to the main search engine. Let's say I want information on Dairy Queen, a private company. I'm going to type in Dairy Queen, and we'll find that right below here. And this will give us a whole assortment of information related to the Dairy Queen company. We can see a little bit of historical revenue. We can get a brief company overview, see some of the competitors, get information about the NICS code, and then also a couple of publications related to Dairy Queen. One thing you'll notice, as I mentioned before, it's not perfect. You can see the revenue, for example, starts and ends at 2017, goes down to 2016, then 2004. And so it can be a little complicated going through that. However, Dairy Queen is a unique situation because it is owned by Berkshire Hathaway, which is a public company. And some of our results, too, could possibly come if we're looking for information on Dairy Queen from Berkshire Hathaway. And if we click on Berkshire Hathaway, we'll get a lot more information about that company since it is in the public. You can see right here, now we have a SWOT analysis, a more detailed company overview, the financials are more detailed, and a whole assortment of other information. So I'd recommend looking to see if your company, if it is private, has any relation to public companies or anything of that like. And that's all I want to demonstrate for today. But thank you very much, and I wish you the best in searching Gale Business Insights.